Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today in this class, we will discuss about exercise as horse question answer. So, let us start with this horse question answer. Question number 1. Think and give reasons. A cockroach will die if we put it in water. Answer. Cockroaches will die when put in water because they do not have gills to breathe the dissolved oxygen in water. They will be unable to breathe with their spikes in water. We know that cockroaches have spikes along the side of their body. These are the holes present in the body to take the air. They don't have gills to survive to take oxygen from the water. That's why when we put cockroaches in the water, they will not be able to breathe through their sparkles in the water, so they will die. You can see a cockroach will die if you put in the water. Now, question number 2. A fish dies when taken out of water. So, fish lives in water. They are aquatic animals, and all the aquatic animals breathe through their gills. They have a mechanism in which water reaches the gills of a fish via mouth. All the time fish opens its mouth and closes its mouth. When it opens its mouth, the water passes through the mouth and it goes to the gills, and it comes out through the gills. So the dissolved oxygen is taken inside and carbon dioxide is released when fishes are taken out of water. The supply of oxygen to the fish is reduced as they cannot respire using the oxygen present in the atmosphere. So, when the water passes through the gills of a fish, the water takes in water only it gives out carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen from the water. The richly supplied gills blood capillaries present in the gills take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, and it goes out through the gills again. So, they cannot take in air from the atmosphere, thus they will die when taken out of water. You can see the fish taken out of water, they die. Question number 3. Emu and ostrich are exceptions among birds. Most of the birds can fly, but some birds cannot fly. They are exceptions, like emu and ostrich cannot fly because they have large heavy bodies and poorly developed wings. They are flightless birds. So they are exceptions among birds because they have feathers, like all the features they have like birds. Birds they cannot fly because their skeleton is heavier. Their large heavy bodies are compared to their poorly developed wings. Their wings are poorly developed and their feathers are also very short, and it cannot take the body into the air because of its heaviness. So they cannot fly and they are known as flightless birds. So they are known as exception among the birds. You can see here ostrich. They are very big birds. They have large heavy body. You can see here. But feathers, you can see in this picture, feathers are very short, so it cannot lift the body in the air. Emu also you can see. They have also very large heavy body. Their feathers are also very short, and their bodies also, their feathers are not able to lift their body in the air because they have very short feather and wings, and they have very heavy bodies. Now question number 4. The locust is a dangerous migratory insect. Locust is a dangerous migratory insect because huge swarms of locusts move across the lands and cause heavy damage to the crops that come in their way. So locusts are moving in swarms. They attack the crops in groups. So they are coming in very huge groups, and wherever they attack, they damage and cause great loss to the field and crops of the farmers. You can see in the picture also. You can see here the swarm of locust has attacked a field and they damage all the crops. The ready crops are damaged by the locust, so they are known as very dangerous migratory insect. They migrate in groups and they attack the plants into groups. So you can see here in this, they have attacked on a crop plant and they have damaged. So they are known as very dangerous migratory insect. So thank you students. Today we will have completed our horse question answer. Now we will meet in the next class again with the next topic. Thank you all of you again.